All right, what's going on, YouTube? How's it going? My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. Glad you dropped by today. This is the Jim of All Trades channel, man. Sorry, let's see. Yesterday I shared a Telegram group video that I was able to whip out in the morning pretty quick, unpolished, and just giving it to the group. And guys, I've just let you know that my ability to get videos out and do the extras that I've done for the last year or so is actually slowly waning. The larger the Telegram group gets, the more my presence is necessary there. My energies are being spent in there, and if anything has to go, it's going to have to be the free videos on YouTube. That being said, I'm going to still try to get you videos every day if I can, but I cannot. If work gets in the way or family gets in the way, the Telegram group has to come first, and then after that. So anyway, I'd invite you to join that if you'd like to. I'd really just try to give them as much support as needed throughout the day and throughout the night, even as price is moving and things are moving. I try to be there as much as possible to answer questions, to provide quick videos and charts and everything else. So it's definitely worth your being in there for if you looking forward to my videos on a regular basis or my perspective here as far as where we're headed from a wave, an Elliott wave standpoint. To be glad to just invite you in. So with that being said, we're going to get into the Bitcoin market today and just look at that and see what's going on and see where we're headed. I was long for this pump. I actually shorted it down here. Got out around let's see, I got out around about $9,800 and was able to get back in long about 98.27. Waded through this little stop hunt area, just kind of waded through that and got a nice surprise today as we not a surprise, but a nice confirmation that we were pumping today. So that was fantastic to see that. So let's see if we're almost done. Are we done? Is this done, or is this going to keep on going? We got to keep looking at it. Okay. All right. So I did make a video already for my group this morning, and basically told them this is how I get my targets. So I'm going to share how I get my targets, and you can do what you will with them. And I've shared the targets. Uh, you know. Um, I've been sharing those targets up to this point, but let's just kind of review. What I do here is I take from the bottom of one to the top of the third wave, and then project off at the bottom of four there. And generally, we look for the fifth wave to end around the 618. So 99.23 was my first target. We zoomed right on past that. Had a correction, down. We actually came to the 786 between the 786 fib. And then corrected down last night, and then or yesterday, I should say, and then now we're back up today, hitting the 786. So we're hitting about 10.3, about 10,400 today. The one-to-one extension gives us an extended fifth wave. That would be an extension in the fifth. So $10,900 is a potential target from this way of measuring where the end of the wave might come. 10,900 is a potential, okay? All right, now, before we get to that one, I've got some intermediate targets that we need to take a peek at. So let's see if there's any kind of confluence along the way. Let's go to the 15-minute target, time frame, I should say, and just look at this fifth wave right here. Let's go to the hour, sorry. Right there, there we go. So if we pull the fibs off of this guy, bottom of one to the top of three, right there's my top of three, and then four right there. That puts the one-to-one extension there with an extended fifth here at 10.4, 10.413, which that's what we hit today. So we had an extended fifth here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Looks like it's finished, guys, but we might have. I've got another. Did I hit that properly? Let me see if I hit that exactly right, because I thought it was about 1050. Let's see if we got it here. Yep, that's on there. There we go, right there. And there, that gives us our target of Yeah, $10,442, and so we haven't quite hit that yet. I'm expecting for one more wave to kind of come up there and smash that 10,440. We do have some major resistance over here from structure. Our last high from that October pump that we got in one day, it was 10,552. Okay, 10,550 roughly. And so that's major resistance there. So we were probably could front run it, or we could blow through it. So we're gonna have to watch that. Okay, but really this structure is looking finished. Let me show you one more way we can see if we can finalize the target here. You're gonna see a lot of fib lines here, so bear with me. So we're going to take this fifth wave alone, this fifth wave right here, see if we can project it off of the bottom of 1 to the top of 4, or top of 3, and then to the 4. There we go. And you can see that the 618, we've already hit it. The 78, so the 1-to-1 extension, if we use that one, is up here about the $10,822. So that's not really giving us any clarity there at all. So let's see. What about this? Let's go to the very small time frame here. How about the 2-minute time frame? Just look at this wave right here, as if it's the only wave there is. See if we can get a top for this particular wave here. Bottom of 1, top of 3, assuming this is 4. Boom. We would expect 10,639 for the 618, 10,550 for the 50%, and the 382 is 1047. So really, it's looking like we can probably come up here to the, I don't know, to the 10,500 at least. So I don't know, guys. It's really not clear. We just have to watch the wave structures. But this wave is looking about finished, unless they extend this fifth. And there again, I'm not exactly sure. We'll look at this structure here and see if we can see what we can see there. But yeah, targets are going to be anywhere from between 10,440 to 10,900. That's that's a big area, but really I can't give you any more definitive nature of it because they just keep extending it. For me though, I'm looking to short around 10,450 or so because I think that's going to be about the area, depending on what the wave is looking like as it's being made. But hopefully we get a stop. My guess is that we're going to get a stop into the high, and then we're going to get a larger reversal. Guys, we are due for a larger reversal. Let me just show you what that should look like. Okay, there's a couple of things I say over and over, and I want to just share it with you. That reversal, or that corrective wave that we're expecting to come, needs to have some characteristics. Number one, it needs to be about the same time. Okay, proportional in time. As long as this wave took to make, it should be about proportional in time, at least 50 to 60% of the time. Secondly, we want proportionality as far as size. Okay, so time and size, that's what we're looking for. Okay, we're not looking for something like this, okay, real tiny and then up. Okay, we're looking for something proportional in time and size if this is a completed one wave. Okay, so if this is a completed impulse and we're looking bull, okay, then we're looking for something about that size right there, coming down 50 to 60%. So if you just throw the retrace tool on this entire move right here, that puts us down here about 8,500, 8,450 to 7970. So anyway, that's kind of what we're looking for. That's what I'm thinking, guys. That's what I'm planning on. Some kind of a larger 3-wave retrace. Now, you don't have to trade this wave. You can wait for it to come back and then trade it short here. That's a safe way to play that short. And then you can go long to the moon if it's a moonshot. Now, I think in another video, there is another possibility, guys, that we have a bear count on our hands. Okay, so keep in mind, I'm going to bring that in another day. But right now, just kind of looking at the bull scenario for now. But this thing needs to top out, and that's what I wanted to talk about mainly. Is it topped out? So I don't think so. Again, between first target 10,450, secondary target 10,900. That's my final answer. Okay, it's actually 10,990, something like that. It's almost 11,000. All right, Ethereum, first primary target we already hit it today to $241. The secondary target is going to be about $250. So that's so we'll be looking at that. You can see I already had these boxed and ready to rock for you. And then Litecoin targets here, we haven't my primary target is going to be $80.10. That's what I'm going to be looking for first. So $80.10 will be my target there. All right, guys, there's your video for today. That's all I wanted to get over. Like I said, if you want some one-on-one attention, if you need some, you want to have access to me on a 24/7 basis, or at least as much as you can, through on a daily basis rather than waiting for my videos, please join the Patreon group. Just look at the description of this video, and you'll find a link to my Patreon. Join there in one of the tiers there, and I will send you an email once I get record of that. I'll send you an email with links to get you signed up for the Telegram group. All right, you guys have a fantastic evening. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget, Trading Night School tonight. It's going to be 10:30 Eastern time, 10:30 Eastern, 9:30 Central. So just about 3 hours away, we'll get Trading Night School. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.